Since the New Horizons probe made its historic flyby of Pluto on July 14th, we've learned more about that dwarf planet and its moons than we did over the entire 85 years that we knew it existed. Just in the first few images and pieces of data sent back by New Horizons, there's a ton of stuff to unpack and analyze. Days before the probe even got there, we got a much better estimate of Pluto's size and a great picture of the adorable heart-shaped region on its surface. But now we know so much more, and from what we've seen so far, at least one thing's for sure. We're going to have to completely change the way we think about planetary geology. Take a look at this picture of Charon. There's something about it that's really strange. It's not covered in nearly as many craters as we would have expected. Pluto and Charon hang out in the Kuiper Belt, which is full of other objects. They definitely knock into them from time to time. The only way Charon could have a smooth surface like that is if it's been geologically active, with some kind of process smoothing out the surface. Then, there's that dark region near its North Pole, which apparently the mission team has been calling Mordor. They still aren't sure why that area is darker than the rest, but its fuzzy boundaries mean it's probably a veneer, a thin layer of something spread across the surface. You can even see a few brighter spots where small impacts might have punched through the veneer slightly. And Charon has canyons. You can see a couple of them in this image, with one at the top right that's about 6 to 10 kilometers deep, and another on the opposite side that's about 5 kilometers deep. Not bad for a 1,200 kilometer wide moon. But there's even more weird stuff on Pluto itself. New Horizons took lots of high-resolution photos that the team will assemble into a mosaic. This is the first one the probe sent back, which is sharp enough to show features smaller than a kilometer. And you might notice that there are no craters in this picture either. But you know what the image does show? 3-kilometer-high mountains. And those mountains are challenging everything we thought we knew about the way surface features form on other worlds. And this is just some of what we found out from the first day's worth of New Horizons data. There's so much more data packed away on that probe's hard drive. So look out for future episodes of SciShow Space News, where we'll definitely be covering the data and images as they come in.